To fix the Apple Pay age requirement issue in 2025, you need to understand the root cause of the problem. The age requirement is usually set by the bank or the card issuer, and it can vary depending on the country or region you are in. First, check the minimum age requirement for Apple Pay in your country. This information can be found on the Apple Support website or by contacting your bank directly. If you are under the required age, you will not be able to use Apple Pay. If you are above the minimum age requirement and still facing issues, the problem might be with your Apple ID or the payment card you are trying to add. Ensure that your Apple ID is set to the correct birth date and that you are using a compatible payment card. To update your birth date on your Apple ID, go to the Apple ID account page, sign in, and click on Account Settings. Scroll down to the Personal Info section and click on Edit to update your birth date. If the issue persists, try removing and re-adding the payment card to Apple Pay. To do this, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap on the card you want to remove, and tap on the More icon. Then tap on Remove Card and confirm. After removing the card, restart your iPhone and try adding the card again. Make sure you are using the correct card details and that the card is compatible with Apple Pay. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact your bank or the card issuer to check if there are any restrictions on your account that might be preventing you from using Apple Pay. They can also provide more information on the age requirement and how to fix the issue. Additionally, you can contact Apple Support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide more information on the Apple Pay age requirement in your country. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Apple Pay age requirement issue and start using Apple Pay for your transactions. Remember to always check the minimum age requirement for Apple Pay in your country and ensure that your Apple ID and payment card are set up correctly.